Hello everyone, my name is Dinda Rizky Safitri and now I'm going to tell you about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were three bears who lived together in a little bear house in the forest. Inside the house, there were three chairs and three beds. A big for Papa Bear, a middle size for Mama Bear, and a small for Baby Bear. One day in the morning, the big Papa Bear was reading his morning newspaper. Mama Bear was cooking breakfast and a baby bear decided to play with this toy until the breakfast was ready. In that morning, Mama Bear had cooked porridge for breakfast and she had set it out in the table in the three bowls. A big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and the wee little bowl for Baby Bear. When the Mama Bear tasted the porridge, she found it was too hot to eat. So, Papa Bear decided they should all go for a walk in the forest while they were waiting for the porridge to cool. On the other hand, a little girl named Goldilocks was walking through the woods. Goldilocks lived near her woods and she often went for walks near her home. In the same morning, she walked farther into the woods than she had ever gone before. She had always known that bears lived in the forest and now she had found it their house. She was not sure how to behave, but she knew it would be polite to knock on the door. There was no answer, but the door was open, so Goldilocks tiptoed in. It was so exciting that she promptly forgot that she had not been invited and should not have been there at all. Then she saw the three chairs. Because Goldilocks was tired from her long walk, so she decided to sit down. She sat in the big chair, but it was too hard for her. She sat in the middle-sized chair, but it too soft for her. Finally, when she sat in the wee little chair, it was just right until she broke the chair into pieces. She was truly sorry, but her attention distracted when she saw the porridge the bear had left was cold. Goldilocks was hungry from her long walk, so she decided to eat. Firstly, she tasted the porridge in the big bowl, but it was too hot for her. She tasted the porridge in the middle-sized bowl, but it was too cold for her. And lastly, she tasted the porridge in the wee little bowl, and it was just right. In fact, it was so good that she ate it all up. After finished her meal, she was sleepy from her long walk, and she wondered where she could lie down. Then she saw the bedroom. She tried lying down on the big bed, but it was too hard and it was also too high for her. She tried lying down in the middle-sized bed, but it was too soft for her. And then finally, she tried lying down on the wee little bed, and it was just like her cozy bed at home, so she went to sleep. Meanwhile, in the forest, Baby Bear was up in the tree playing hide and seek with Papa Bear. Then Baby tried Then Baby tried out some trick he admired. Mama and Papa were quite proud, especially when Baby walked on his front legs. Somersaults were one of Baby's favorite dance. Papa Bear could do backward somersault, and Baby watched closely to see how propagated then Baby did it too. And that's how the bears passed the time while waiting their porridge to cool. Goldilocks was still sound asleep when the bears come back home. Because of their keen sense of smell, the bears know that someone had been there. Papa Bear said in his big voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair." Mama Bear said in her middle-sized voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair." And the baby bear said in his wee little voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair and it's broken." Then Papa Bear looking for his smell and said, "Someone has been eating my porridge." Mama Bear said in her middle-sized voice, "Someone has been eating my porridge." And then Baby Bear said in his wee little voice, "Someone has been eating my porridge and it's all gone." Then Papa Bear decided to look in the bedroom. He said in his big voice, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." And Mama Bear said in her middle-sized voice, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." And then Baby Bear, when he looked in the bedroom, he said in his wee little voice, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed and here she is." With that, Goldilocks woke up. She thought Baby Bear was so cute that she would like to take him home for a pet. But then she saw Mama and Papa Bear. She was so surprised that makes her jump out in the window and run all the way home. She never again went so far into the woods. So she never again saw the little bear house in the forest. And it's all about Goldilocks and the three bears. Thank you. See you.